Good morning, everybody. It's Harry Swaminathan, 8:15 a.m. Today is a big day in the FOMC. So the general expectation is a taper light, which is about 10 to 15 billion dollars, either from Treasury and mortgage-backed securities or just Treasury. So regardless, I think anything more than that, the market is probably going to sell off. Even if it's just that, I think that, it might sell the news. However, we obviously don't know what's going to happen. So what we need to do is to take a portfolio outlook and see what are if there's something specific that we want to do. So let's take a look at our positions. Apple is moving up in the pre-market. It's going up to 468. So obviously it's now much more closer to our bear call, but our bear call is already profitable by about $500. So if at the open, if we still have a little bit of profit right here, then we might want to move it over to either the 495, 505, or even the 500 to 510. So just let's take a look at what the open is. If we can come out with a zero, I think it'll probably be even. So at that point, I think it would make sense to move the Apple bear call over to 500, 510. So that's what we would do. Gold is down today, I think, in the pre-market. You can see it is down by almost $1. So, and we don't need to do anything. That's a balanced trade anyway. It's a straddle. And so hopefully we'll benefit from the puts there. GMCR, what we might want to do, it's not moved much in the pre-market, but so our total booked profit from the shorts are 3,800. So now we still have a good $2,500 left, $2,600 in premium. So if it doesn't move, I think the GMCR is a trade we may not want to touch today. Let's see how it goes. Google, we have a great profit. So and Google's not moving much in the pre-market. So I think today again we're going to get some theta decay. We're going to get about $800. So the total premium left in the trade is 1,600. So if we can come down to about 600 or 700, I think it may make sense closing this trade before the FOMC the FOMC announcement. So that's expected at 2 p.m. Eastern time. So anything we want to do is, we have the entire morning to do that. So I might close Google if if it generates a decent enough profit by that time. I'm just creating this video, but what we want to do is, I'll send out an email alert at that point. LinkedIn, this is a 9-day trade, and we have our our bull put at 230, 225. If you wanted to even this trade out, you would go into the same series and turn this into an iron condor at 265. So 265 would make the stock be somewhere in the middle, right in the middle. So 265, 270 would be a good adjustment for LinkedIn. Mastercard, we are just up slightly, and we really don't want to do anything to Mastercard. It's already set over there. Netflix is an interesting trade. Now, we do have a $2,000 loss when we roll the bear calls over, and right now you can see we have picked up almost 1,100 out of that. So if we were to close this, then if we were to close the entire Netflix trade, then I think that would be we would be taking a loss of $900. But I don't think we need to close it. I think right now it's actually sitting right in the middle. Let's see how Netflix opens. We don't want to make too much of an adjustment there. Tesla is up about $1 in the pre-market. So now our the bull put here is going to do very well. In fact, there's very little profit left in that. There's only about $120. So basically what we want to do is close this for a profit. And we may even want to come slightly inside. So let's say the 155, 150. So, we pick up some extra premium there, and we might want to come inside there. But let's see, as of now, it's fine. It's got a negative delta. It's got a, pretty heavy negative delta. So I would want to give it some positive delta if we could. There's only 2 days left in this trade. So if we can come up to the 155, 150, that would be good. But again, I'll send out an email on this. So that's it, folks. These are the adjustments I'm planning. So in my email alert, I'll just send a brief note, but please, hopefully everybody has watched this video, so you can take the suitable action. Thanks. Bye.